Sedona Soulfire. Welcome to my Hip Work Drills series. In this workshop, our primary focus is hip circles and figure eights. I'll be sharing 3 different drill-based combinations. The first combination details exterior circles, exploring how we can make this movement full and rounded by adding it onto step patterns and other cohesive layers. The second combo covers front to back horizontal eights and various embellishments of this movement, such as the jewel, daisy loop, and the Roomba step. The third combination gives us the opportunity to develop the dimensionality and dynamics of our basic figure eights and circles as we dance them with weight shifts on different planes in space. Before you start, be sure the body is warm and ready to dance. All right, let's jump on in and get ready to dance.